Hello, welcome on the Hit Kit Club YouTube channel. My name is Diana and I will make a grid layout for today. A grid layout is a layout that consists horizontal and vertical lines. There is a space between these lines, and that space I will use to put down some design papers. I will create 1.5 inch squares, and this I will stick down on my white background with foam tape. I always use foam tape because I love the dimension that it gives. And when I put all my squares down, I got the base of my grid layout. Some of the spaces I will leave open. I will put a photo there or some embellishments. Let's first start with putting the squares down. I use the T-ruler to create my grid layout because the T-ruler is a great ruler to stick down your papers straight, because it creates a straight line on your paper. You put your shapes against the ruler and everything will go on straight. So I think the T-ruler is a must-have. I also love to use the ribbons because it creates another layer on your paper. The ribbons is flat on your background, and my squares are with foam tape, so you get different layers on your layout. And the die cuts on the square I put down with foam tape also, so that creates a third layer on my layout. If you look at my layouts, all my layouts will have different layers by using foam tape. also want to mention that there are many mini classes this weekend on this YouTube channel. And if you go to the Hit Kit Club Facebook group, you will see many contests you can join and win some cute and nice giveaways. So if you want to scrap this weekend and win some nice giveaways and want to look for a lot of inspiration, go ahead to the Hit Kit Club Facebook group. The Hit Kit Club does also have a big sale this weekend. I thought till Sunday night. So if you want to have some things, now is the time to head over and buy yourself some scrapping love. So for now you can see how I will create this layout and finish it. If you want to create also a grid layout, you can use this as your inspiration, but you can also make the squares bigger so you don't have little shapes. You can also use a circle or a hexagon instead of squares. So there are different ways to create a grid layout. Just play and have fun with it. And I hope that I could inspire you to a grid layout. And if you make it, please show it on the Facebook group. I love to see your results. And then for now I want to wish you a happy International Scrapbooking Day. Have fun and see you next time. Bye bye.